YouTube, it's Erin, and I am the Handbag Housewife, and I'm back again with another video. In today's video, I am going to reveal one of the 3 bags that I told you about that I had on the way. And you know what's funny? I actually added another contemporary bag, and it is on the way as well. So I still have 3 bags on the way, but this is the first one to arrive. This is a luxury handbag unboxing, as you can see here. This Louis Vuitton bag traveled all the way from Austria from a new reseller who has her own business with her own website, but she also posts a lot of great deals on the Louis Vuitton Facebook pages. There are lots of Louis Vuitton groups, and I see her all over. This came from Alexandra Radinger. She's extremely easy to work with. She sends lots of photos when you ask for them, and I could not be more excited to reveal what is inside of this dust bag. I'm going to call this an unboxing, but it's truly an unbagging, and I've already had a chance to play with this bag just a little bit to dress her up, we could say. You know how I like to dress up my bags. I also pulled out all of my similar bags in my collection so we can just look at a color comparison between the material on this one versus those others. So without further ado, let's get into the bag. I'm so excited. I just had butterflies in my stomach. So this is the Louis Vuitton Denim Speedy 25 from a couple years ago. This came before the big denim re-release that happened in the past year or so, where the prices were absolutely astronomical. This bag came out in this blue shade and then also in a gray shade with black leather and silver hardware. And generally the blue one is more expensive than the black one. In this case, when I was looking through the website, the blue one was actually a little less than the black one. I think because her black one was essentially brand new, and this one was rated a 9.5 out of 10, which I'm going to show you all the details, and you will know that this definitely meets my qualifications for a like new, almost pristine, almost perfect bag. I'm totally good with a 9.5 out of 10 to save some cash. If you look at it, it's actually kind of got a faded effect even on the front. Here is the tag that talks about if you remove it, you keep the bag, which I do not have a problem with. I want to keep this bag. A friend of mine asked me, or a couple friends asked me to rate this bag a 1 out of 10, and I rated it a 10. I am so excited about this one. It is like deliciously smooshy, and I have stuff inside that I'm excited to show you here in just a second. So the leather is a beautiful shade of blue with white stitching, and it has piping that runs around the edges, the regular bandolier leather bit there, and if you look at the back, it's even more faded. I am going to treat this with Colonel Carbon Pro, which I'll link down below, so that this beautiful white LV pattern can stay white. Now it's going to be hard to clean this bag, so I think that protecting it with Colonel Carbon Pro is very important, and I'm also not going to wear it with dark denim because I don't want the beautiful LV pattern in the white to pick up dark denim. Now, that said, I do think that with denim being faded like this, it has sort of a worn look, so I'm going to enjoy the bag, and if something happens, I'm just going to keep enjoying the bag, but I am going to do what I can to protect it. Now, a lot of times on the stamp, I think it says Louis Vuitton Paris right here, it will say made in France on the outside of the bag, but in this case, that is not true. It does have the smaller opening. It doesn't have the opening that goes over the sides like they are doing with the leather, the Empreinte Speedy 25s, as well as the newer Speedy 20s. Here's my Monogram Speedy 20, and this is in the ink shade. And I thought that the colors of the handles would be almost the same, but they are pretty different. You can see that the new bag is almost like a turquoise undertone compared to like a purplish blue undertone on the ink Speedy 20. And so not only is the size a big difference, but I do find that the color is a pretty significant difference as well. I'm excited to get to what's inside. Let me go ahead and pull out the stuffing. Here again is Alexandra Radinger's website as well as her name. She's been an absolute delight to work with. I'm actually considering another piece from her, but I think I need to wait a month or so. We'll see. Now this was inside the bag. Let's unwrap it. I broke the seal on it, but I haven't unwrapped this yet. So the strap that comes with this bag is a 2-piece strap rather than a 3-piece strap. And one way I can always tell wear and tear on a bag is if there is a dent from the strap being adjusted or sized, and I'm not seeing that with this bag. So that is good news. Let me grab my glasses. I want to look at the rings or the clips on the strap and just see how shiny they are. There's very little scratching on here. There's just a little bit, but I would agree with her 9.5 out of 10 assessment on this particular bag because these little clips on the straps do get scratched up. And so if you get one that has very few scratches, that's a good indication of wear, in my opinion. I think this bag is microchipped, and I can find out by running my phone close to it and kind of over it with the NFC Tools app activated. The last purchase I got from Alexandra, I went ahead and I got it authenticated. I probably will authenticate this bag as well, just to be careful, but I'm confident that it's the real deal. So I did go ahead and attach the strap, and I'm going to try it on for you. I'm so super excited about this. I mean, it is squishy gushy. Wait a minute, I forgot to show you what else is in here. She sent some Austrian candies, which is cool. And then the first time I ordered something from her, she sent me this little engraved piece of wood, which is actually like a drawer scent piece of wood to keep your drawer smelling nice. And I believe that this is a handbag hook, so let me grab it. If it is a handbag hook, that is awesome because it's very petite, and a lot of times these tend to be kind of big. So we'll see. It might be a mirror. I'm not sure what this is. All right, so here we go. It is a handbag hook. Oh, this is very cool. Oh my gosh, look at that. That is such a cool design. And it does say her business name there on the bottom. But look at how petite that is. That is so super cool. And it's magnetic in terms of holding itself closed. I am definitely going to carry that in my bag because it's so small. That is amazing. Thank you, Alexandra. Okay, now I have the bag empty. You can see the beautiful inner lining, which is kind of an opposing color palette to the outside. And then you can also see that the bag was made in France. It has this one pocket inside, and I do think that the light interior is going to help find things. And I think Zumani is going to gift me or send me an insert for this bag in a beautiful shade of blue that I can keep in there to protect that interior, but I may wear it both ways, sometimes with and sometimes without, depending on how organized I want to be. They do have pockets in their organizers, which is really nice. I am very casual today. I've got my Z Supply cardigan, my Z Supply top, and my Z Supply Kendall pants, which are really loose now. I've lost a fair chunk of weight. I'm actually under 140 now. I'm 5'8". But I have to tell you that this may be my favorite Speedy of all time. I mean, look how squishy gushy it is. It will hold absolutely everything I need. The material on this feels amazing. And I absolutely love the smoosh factor on this bag. It makes me want the gray one too. Oh my gosh, it feels so, so good. The strap on this bag is super comfortable. You'll notice that the buckle hits a little lower as opposed to being up here. I hate it when it hits me up on my collarbone. I've got this positioned in the front of me right now, and the buckle's down in the perfect spot. Now my cardigan is helping pad things, but that is a good spot for me. It's not a good spot when it's way up here. I do have an accessory on the way for this bag that I found on eBay for like $90 plus tax and shipping. I will give you a hint. It is a luggage tag, but it's a different color than this one, so I think it'll be fun to play. I have always loved the look of the vachetta with denim. Coach does a great job of pairing a denim bag with blue handles and then throwing little accents of vachetta colored leather on, so I figured why not try it with Louis. And I was looking through my straps, and I have this beautiful blue strap from Dress Up Your Purse with the vachetta end pieces. And I thought, you know what? If I wanted something that was super comfortable to wear with this, I think this dress up your purse strap may be just the ticket. I got this a long time ago and it hasn't really had a home. And I think that the color on this strap just really cannot be beat for this bag. So is that not a fun look? And again, look, the buckle hits me right there. It's got the vachetta end pieces, but yet it has the blue, like the blue of the bag. And then it has this adorable little Vivian charm on it. I could also put my Hawaii stamped luggage tag on it. And this is from a Graceful. I got it a long time ago. I bought it separately on the resale market, and then I got it stamped in Hawaii. And the leather on these two pieces matches a little better because for some reason this Hawaii vachetta, it darkened a lot. Maybe it is because it went to Hawaii and back, who knows. So there it is with the Hawaii stamped luggage tag. I really don't know which one I like best, the Vivian or the Hawaii. What do you guys think? It's mainly for me how it clips on. I do like how the color of this is darker and coordinates with these darker vachetta ends on this strap. I think I'm going to leave Hawaii on for now. So I found a navy blue Louis Vuitton strap and I'm contemplating it for these two bags. I really like the guitar straps and this navy looks good with both these bags, but I'm questioning whether I even should get it because I do like the strap, the leather strap that comes with both of these a lot. And then I do have that dress up your purse option I just showed you for this bag. So I'm leaning towards not getting it, even though it's a good deal, just because I don't really need it. I don't need to have every strap combination because I can only wear one strap at a time. But it is, oh, so tempting. When I asked you guys to guess, nobody guessed this particular bag. Somebody guessed right for my contemporary bag, one person, but nobody guessed this bag when I was showing my other denim pieces. But I do want to show you how different it is in the color family versus the Marc Jacobs, the tote bag, and the small denim jacquard. It's a very, very different color palette, so I think it will go with different things. And same thing with the Saint Laurent Lulu puffer. This is in the small size. For size comparison, they are similar. Of course, the Speedy is much deeper, but with the smoosh factor, this will hug my body a lot like this one will. So I think that will do it for this beautiful new Denim Speedy 25 by Louis Vuitton. This is, oh, I'm just so excited about it. This may have bumped that Ink Keep All 25 out of the running, at least for now. I think it gives me just wonderful feels. I love the tactile experience of this bag. I love how it feels on the body. In fact, I love the strap. That was the first time I tried it on with the strap. There's really nothing that I don't love about it. My only concerns are keeping the white LVs white, and I'm hoping that Colonel Carbon Pro will help with that. When you spray fabric with Colonel Carbon Pro, you can put it under a sink and the water runs right off it. So I do think that will help with staining and things like that. So that really will do it. If you like this video, please give me a big thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, what are you waiting for? Do it and ring the notification bell so that you are notified of future exciting content such as this. Also, go find me on Instagram. The name there's the same. It's the @ then the Handbag Housewife, all lowercase. You can DM me there or you can email me at thehandbaghousewife@gmail.com. If I don't hear from you, I will see you again real soon. Take care and have a fabulous day. Bye.